Ki Chief Executive Member, ki Chairman, but kiwei ki nongialam na Tylli ki Autonomous District Council, na kadong Lam Mihngi kari India, North Eastern Region, hakasin banyngkong ki iakynduh haka jingialang kabalalong ha Tripura Castle Shillong, Iamir Jingmut, but ieng lang kawei ka buit kabor, halor ki mat baka sorkar India ka thmu ban pynbha bat pynjanai, ki kyndon an ki iadei bat ka 6th schedule jo ka Riti Synshar kari India. Ka 6th schedule jong Riti Synshar kari India ka de ka tyllong bar ka thymmei jong ki Autonomous District Council ha ka ne ka thain jong kari. Ha bnai balala baro shiphongut ki CEM jong ka Autonomous District Council na ka ne ka thain kila iakynduh ya menteri ki Kam Pohiing kari India Amit Shah halor ka jing thmu jong ka sorkar India ban pynjanai bat pynbha ya ka 6th schedule. Hakane ka jingialang balalong ha Shillong ha ka shipau tarik nailar ki CEM bat chairman na shipau Tylli ki district council ki iadei halor ki babun ki mat ki iadei ber ka Synshar khadar jong ki Autonomous District Council kilapan kreru ki Iamir Jingmut ka sorkar India ban penrung ha ki kyndon jong ka 6th schedule ba ka sorkar India kadang penkre ban pynjanai. Uba penyat sing CEM KHDC uba lalong chairman ban penyat ya ka jingialang ha Tripura Castle rengkat bat upradiot de Barma chairman ka Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council TTAADC kilayakran hakilar pathai kubor da ka baong kindang yai buit de ki kam ki badang sa bat ka sorkar India kumju ru ha ka ba iadei bat ki jinge bat ki jingialang kam babun jat jong ki Autonomous District Council ha ka ne ka thain nongialam jo ki Tylli ki District Council kim patla abanong AA ya kadur kadar jong ka 6th schedule ka ban mi thymmei hadien ka jing pynbha bat jing pynjanai ya ka da ka sorkar India.
Ka jongi lingba ka jing tho memorandum na baro Tylli ki Autonomous Council. Te habide ba ka tu ka meeting hadal hi nakaliang Home Minister ulah pentip chengi bahapo ka arpusan tarik uni bnai August kamot shi bnai kanthi on pendep no habide ba kani ka kam kabumut baha kani ka jing yakren la shim ya karai ban dan ya kawei ka committee nakaliang ka Home Ministry ba ngin iakynduh bat ni nakapor ban ya pej yakini jenit ki jenat niki benta ba her habide ba kani ka jing dawa ka jungi te habide ba kata nakaliang jungi ni snudai bandan sakawei pat ka jingialang ya ka bangila khot benta ka singi kani ki shpotarik hangni po nong ba Shillong te nakaliang jungi nga snoban penpau ke jing ai khoble kerpang ye ba produce i belong i chairman jong ka Tripura nang ta promote belong CM jong ka Budulan idan lu i deputy CM jong Budulan CM Jentia nang ta chairman jong ka Garo Hills bat baro ki CM ki dan lang hani te ngila ya keren sani bah habide kani ka kam te kani ka ji kran mentak singi ka long bet thik tang ban budien ye ka bangi adep an iakynduh ya Union Home Minister hadelhi te bat shwai kani ka arpusan tarik kumbalang ai ktien yangi lingba Home Minister ngin persyangkat bala ban yo ban iakynduh yang sahisien bat ki official haka ministry ban penbej habide kani ka memorandum ke bangilap ha te kabaar pat nakaliang juga di meeting ngila shimru ya karai bandan ya kawei ka committee ka ban khle ka committee ka bathmai ban khle ya kanika jing yalong kawei ka jungi jing Tylli jungi jong baro kini ki Tylli ki Autonomous Council ya kanika committee ngimpat ai kerteng henry la shania hakini ki nongialam bamenta da ka yeng bro kawei mene ngila shania bangin sa penbenai ka kerteng kam shibit te yam enta hakani ka committee la thung advisor ye ba produce de Burma i belong i chairman jong ka Tripura nata saiwe advisor iba Elwin Teron na po Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council but labo chief convener yanga kum CM jong KHDC but convener pat nakaliang na po Mizoram labo ya M Laiko i belong CM jong ka Lai Hills Autonomous District Council but saiwe pat convener they promote bureau long CM jongka Budulan Territorial Council but ni dan shpomut ki members hakanika committee iwe de na po BTC Ranjit Basumatri nangta Himanta Larma ide i MDC jongka Lai Chakma Autonomous District Council nangta Mr. Delson MDC jongka Mara Autonomous District Council, nangta Mr. H. Lam Mihngi Deputy Chairman jongka Lai Autonomous District Council, nangta i Abhijit Kro ide MEC jongka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, nangta ima Thombor Shiwat ibelong CM jongka Jainti Hills Autonomous District Council, nangta iba Rakesh E Sangma ibelong Chairman HPC jongka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, nangta Samuel Changsan ibelong EM naka North Kachar Hills Autonomous Council di Mahasau, nangta iba Tito Starwell Khan long LO jongka HDC, but iba Purna Chandra Jamatia ibelong CM jongka Tripura Territorial Autonomous District Council. Tekini ki nongkit kam kidkhot ki members nang tangi don arngut ki convener, but nakaliang jong aku chief convener, but arngut ki advisor. Tekani ke komiti kan yalam ya kani ke kenhun jong shipotuli ki ADC Autonomous Council hapo North East hapo jong ke 6 schedule, but ngin yo ban bud din ya kini ki kam banaksa. Tela da kalong hakano kano karukom ru ngilai long kawei, ngilai Tylli, ngilai shim nakarai ke baskem mene ba ngin hab ban penkenmau ban pensno ya sorkar India bahkan shim ya kanika kam kloy ya ke ban pendep tekani dika jingi keren hakabede kata tekaba arpat ngilai keren ru bandan kiniki exchange cultural program hapadeng ki ADC Autonomous Council baro let's say kyndon kapor bandan siapa Bodolan Territorial Council, kyndon kapor bandan Hakasi, Indonesia Garo Hills, Indonesia Karbi, Indonesia Mizoram, ngindon ke iadei kabajan lingba kiniki exchange cultural program. Kabalai pat la pensngau hangi dai CM jong kabudolan, bana kaliang jong ila ai jaka ya boro shpotuli ki Autonomous Council, hajaka jong ki ya kabangin la ban bo kino ki jingtai ke jongi ki balong ki ieng sikum ki guest house lani ki kini ki ieng trikam ni ki office jong ki council prepare but nakaliang jong i Maharaj jong ka Tripura ru produce la aingi ya ka jaka hapo Tripura hapo Agartala namta ban shnai ki office but kumju ban shnai umat sa kan mau JJM ni Kolsroy belong u architect leni kapa jong ka 6 schedule but ngila shimru ya karai nakaliang Tripura Territorial Autonomous Council bakin penshna kawei ka English medium school haka kerteng jong tirot sing siem hapo not Tripura ya kaba hak tu jaka ki donru ki riulum pynbha ki paradok pasnam jungi ki khasi ki basyong hang tu but dan school dan ete nakaliang jong i ngilai keren bentak ke meeting banakaliang jong i ru in ai ya kini ke school haka kerteng jong tirot sing namangi shim ru ikarai hadin ru asya pen pra yo mat dur saken mau jong tirot sing hapo Bangladesh tingi kwa ban pen i kani di ke sin jam ke bangin shim bangi kwa penlong ya Tylli yaki riulum hapo thain Lam Mihngi ke jongi ngila ngilai keren ru ba mentatang syudap kani ke meeting nang ni ngin lek sahang taipo arts and culture Riti complex ya keban play way umat sa kan mau jong JJM ni Kolsroy na baling ni shim ni kani kasi
community, and we've decided to open up a school for them. They're from our council, an English medium school, and we are also giving it a name, Tirot Singh Memorial School. I think Pramod Boro himself has offered something in Sri Rampur for us to open up our offices. I've offered land in the TTADC for the KHEDC, GHEDC and the Jainti Hills District Council to open up their bhavans or guest houses. So I think it is very important that we first start respecting and honoring each other. And regarding the livelihood, with the question which you asked, the biggest problem in Northeast is infiltration. An unstable Bangladesh will allow them, the open borders that we have is a threat to our future and our survival. If the government of India needs to protect the indigenous people of Northeast, they will have to give us land rights, they will have to give us economic power, and they have to constitutionally protect us. What is happening is that with the open borders with Bangladesh, we are under immediate threat, and India's entire strategy on Bangladesh was based on one family, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Today, that family is no longer relevant in Bangladesh as of today, and India's plan B has to protect its own people first, rather than give asylum and allow people from Bangladesh to cross over here and flood our population.
Can you elaborate more between the district council with the Tylli?